Hi guys, it's Steve from Techie Tips, and in today's video I want to show you Ipvanish. First of all, there's a disclaimer here, and I'm going to be totally upfront with you. I have no affiliate links that I'm advertising in this video. I'm literally giving you a review of Ipvanish because I own the software, I bought it, I signed up, and I know that I'm 100% private and nobody can see what I'm doing. I can connect to a number of servers all over the world, and I can also use Ipvanish once I've signed up on as many devices as I want. So this is the best VPN that I've found on the internet, and I'll give you a demonstration shortly. I'll fire up my Ipvanish and I'll show you how simple it is to use and how you can have 100% confidence that your internet activity cannot be traced. So if you're streaming from maybe some sites where you shouldn't be, then Ipvanish will hide your IP address and you cannot be traced by anybody, hackers, government officials, people looking at what you're doing. Then Ipvanish just hides your IP address. So they've got a number of plans. I go for this one, which is the starts off at $4.99 for the first month, and then it's $9.99. This is dollars for after the first month. Once you sign up for this, you get an email link. You sign up, enter your email address and password, and then you just download the software and you can install it, and I'll show you how it works shortly. So whether you need a Wi-Fi hotspot shield, encryption for private data, or safe access to streaming media, we have the solution for you. Ipvanish, VPN and storage tools, which will hide your IP address, and nobody can see what you're doing, what you're streaming, and it protects you from hackers. Also, you've got advanced encryption, secure access, online anonymity, and unmetered connection, so you can put this, once you've signed up for it, on as many devices as you wish. So I've got this software, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a demonstration. So if you bear with me, this is my Ipvanish. At the moment I'm connected in Copenhagen in Denmark, but I'll just disconnect that from there, and it says here disconnecting, and I'll go through some of the options with you. So quick connect. So here you can select the country that you want to connect from. So for example, if I want to connect from the Netherlands, I can put the best available city or the best available server. So Netherlands, best available city, and the best available city, and I'll click connect in the top right hand corner here. And now you can see that I'm connected in the Netherlands from Amsterdam. My IP address has changed, so I'm completely 100% safe. I can stream whatever I want, and nobody can actually track who I am and what I'm doing. So if I disconnect from here, and we want to go for let's say Sweden, we click Sweden. We click connect in the top right hand corner here. You'll see this IP address will change. There it's changed, and I'm now in Stockholm. The great thing about this is some streaming sites are geographical, so you can only connect if you're in that region. So with this, if you're looking at something in Stockholm and you're trying to get it, for example, from the UK, you won't be able to, but now you can just switch to a server in Stockholm and you can stream all that content wherever you want. There's also a good little function here which is kill switch, so it prevents any internet access unless your VPN is connected. So if you want to use that, it's quite a handy feature in case you forget to switch on Ipvanish whilst you're streaming some content. But if you check that box, you won't be able to do it. So that's a good feature as well. Down the right hand side, we've got the server list, which is here. So if I click on that, you can see all the servers that you're allowed to connect from, and there are literally absolutely loads in the United States. So if I click on Dallas, for example, and then I click disconnect, click on Dallas, connect, and now you can see I'm connected from the United States from the Dallas server. If I want to connect to, say, South Africa, I'll just double click it and say, would you like to disconnect from Dallas, United States and connect to Johannesburg in South Africa? Yes. Disconnecting, connecting, and there you go. I'm now connected from Johannesburg, South Africa. Same thing, so if you want to connect from any of these servers, Latvia, so I double click it, click yes, it will disconnect from my Johannesburg server, and then it will connect me to the next server. When it's updating here, my IP address will change. Taking a little while for Latvia. Oh, there you go. I'm now in Riga. So that's the server list. You can choose from many countries. If we go on to settings, so there are a number of settings. So you can choose your language. Mine's English because I'm from England. So startup Ipvanish when Windows starts. Yes, I always like to have my Ipvanish on, so my internet identity is private. Hide Ipvanish on startup. Well, no, I don't want to hide it. You can have a number of options here. So do not run automatically connect to the last connected server, which is what I use, or connect to the best server. Sometimes I use that one as well, but I do go into the server list here and just connect to whatever country that I want to. Or you can connect to the best server in country. So I could click here and I could pick any country, Austria, and it will then connect to the best server in Austria. Okay, so that's Ipvanish. As I said, there's no affiliate links in this video. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to show you a really good solution to hide your internet identity. Good for using if you're using a Fire Stick or any other activity which you don't really want to be monitored on. Then Ipvanish is the solution for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos on a weekly basis, and I'm sure you'll find some interesting content. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.